Scenario 1. The course offer has been completed and you need to issue credentials for all learners that are eligible. You will request credentials from the course offer, preview the credentials, check for eligibility, and issue to eligible learners. Here is our course offer, Diploma of Business. We're going to go to the Enrolments tab. We'll select all learners, select Action, then Request Credential. We will proceed anyway on the USI warning as we are using test learners. We'll select the transcript or certificate that we want to issue, and then we'll select ourselves as the issuing officer. We'll then select to go to the course offer credentials page when it's complete, and we'll request credentials. You can see now that the status of all are requested. If we refresh, they all go to generating, and if we refresh again, you can see some have gone to awaiting issue, one is still generating. We can see now all are awaiting issue. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to preview Josh's credential. So by clicking this button here, it allows us to preview Josh's credential. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to check for eligibility to issue. So we'll select all records. As they're all the same status, we can do a global action to them. And we're going to select issue. Here we can see some warnings have popped up. We can see that Josh has an outstanding invoice, that all 3 learners do not have a verified USI, which is expected for us as we're using test learners, that Ben and Josh both have unit enrollments with end dates in the future, and that Ben has incomplete unit enrollments. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go back and we're going to select only Andreas. We'll reissue, and we can see now the only warning is that USI warning. We can now add a reason for issuing credential, and then we can issue. What we'll notice now is if we refresh, we can see the status has changed to issue. The other 2 statuses are awaiting issue. If we were to select all records on page, because there's multiple statuses there, you can see that the global actions cannot be completed.